Welcome guys to this lecture. In this lecture I will be talking about a feature you most likely did not know existed on YouTube called skip navigation. So most likely you know about the fact that by pressing tab you can go to the next clickable item on any website. And this does not only apply to YouTube, and you can use this keyboard trick to navigate where you want to go. So YouTube has made it easier and made this accessibility feature for people who like to navigate YouTube only using keyboard and not the mouse. So I'm on YouTube and let's press tab several times. You can see right here in the left top corner that I have selected this. I pressed tab again. Now I selected YouTube and press again, and there is a button called skip navigation, which is this feature I'm talking about in this lecture. So let's go without selecting skip navigation. I will show you where my selection will go. So tab, it goes to search, and then you can see it goes to the right side. And now if I keep pressing the tab, you will see that it will go through this navigation panel. Now if I refresh the page and I go to skip navigation, so let's go, and now I press enter, you can see that my selection went to this page. So now I can select which video I want to watch. So there you go, select the next one, and so on. So you can go through all of these videos. So it's quite neat trick for people that like to use keyboard in order to navigate the YouTube page. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next lecture.